Hello and welcome to the course of Web Technology. I am Rusha Sen, your guide and the lecturer of this particular course. In the previous lectures, we have learned so far the features of HTML hypertext markup language, the attributes of hypertext markup language, and the paragraph of hypertext markup language. In this particular session, we will discuss the HTML text formatting. HTML hypertext markup language provides us with the ability for formatting text just like we do in Microsoft Word or any text editing software. In this particular session, we would go through few such options. So the very first option is making text bold or strong. We can make the text bold using the B tag. The tag uses both opening and closing tag. The text that needs to be made bold must be within B and /B tag. We can also use the strong tag to make the text strong with added semantic importance, that means more clarity. It also opens with strong and ends with /strong tag. In this particular example, we can see using B and strong tag, we have bold and strong the text. Okay, so instead of wasting time, we will just go to the Notepad++ editor. I have just did the code for this particular session. Now I will just gradually show you one by one. Just one thing. This is the normal text. A text in bold. First we have to know the bold. For now I have just omitting the I tag, italicized tag, the EM tag. It will add the strongness to the code, to the text, and just omit it. Okay, press Ctrl S, just reload the page, and the first paragraph is in normal text, second is in bold, and third is in strong. Okay, in the naked eye you cannot see the difference between bold tag and strong tag, but in the strong tag it will give you more clarity. Okay, so the next option for formatting a text is making text italic or emphasize. Like in Microsoft Word, in hypertext markup language also, a text can be italicized or emphasized. I tag is used to italicize the text. It opens with I and ends with /I tag. And the EM tag is used to emphasize the text with added semantic importance. It opens with EM and ends with E/EM tag. So, like in bold and strong, italic and emphasize also differ sometimes because italic is non-semantic and emphasizes semantic importance. So, more clarity, emphasize tag can be used. Okay, so instead of wasting time, I will just go to the Notepad++ editor and text in bold and italic. Okay, italic L, and I will mean capital. These are the comment lines for programmer understanding. It will not it will not include in your web page, but programmer understanding, it's better to add comment lines, because in large amount of code, if you cannot add the comment lines, you cannot find the functions of a particular tag. Okay, so strong and emphasize E in capital. Okay, and here I just, sorry, very careful for angular brackets. And if you close it here or here or here, no, or here or here, if you close it here, it will not work, but if you close it here or here, it will give you the same output. Okay, so em for emphasize, and just end it over here, /em. Just press Ctrl S, go to the web page and reload the page. And as you can see, the first text is in normal mode, the second text is in bold and italic mode, and the third text is in strong and emphasized. Okay, so this is the feature of I and em tag. Now the next option is highlighting a text. I will conclude this lecture with highlighting a text. Like in Microsoft Word, HTML provides you to highlight a text by mark tag. It has opening tag mark and closing tag /mark, and it is an semantic tag. That means it will give you more clarity. Okay, instead of waiting time, this is the example, and just put it over normal text here, the highlighted text. Now the normal text will be highlighted. Okay, and mark and mark. Okay, save it and just refresh it. As you can see, the normal text has been highlighted with the yellow color, because the highlighted color by default is yellow. Now if you want to change the color, let's see it will change or not. By rate, just save it, let's see, and refresh it. It will not change, because color attribute does not give you the effect. Okay, so instead of mark, you can use a different color to that particular text. We will see you in the gradually in the upcoming lectures, but for now, just highlighting a text, you just have to put. But if I put here, the text will be in let's see. Okay, by using style attribute equals to and colon, just omit it, and if we run this, let's see, the text is now in red, but if I give it in background color, just check it, just save it and refresh it. Yes, the color has been changed to red. So instead of using a yellow color, if you want to highlight a text in different color, like in red I preferred, but if you want to give it like green, it will also give you the green color. Yes. Okay, so by default mark is yellow, but if you want to add some more colors to it, you can add it. Okay, so for now, thank you so much for attending this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss some other text formatting elements in HTML. Thank you.